sounds like another animal. I wonder who it is.
Excellent! Well done! Keep it up!
Good on
Sturm
you,
and
mates!
Drang!
All
I am the
right! We
Ubermensch!
gave him a bloody drubbing! Beauty!
Oh, lorikeets.
Pumbaa, how can a rock be proud? It's a rock.
Well, I think it's because a pride is what they call a group of lions.
Oh, sure, the lions get Pride Rock. And what about us meerkats? Where I come from, we didn't have nothing to be proud of. Why, when I was a young meerkat...
When he was a young meerkat!
Very nice.
Thanks.
But maybe it'd be safer if I just show him where I came from.
Oh boy, do we get to see where you grew up?
Yeah, Pumbaa, but it ain't pretty.
I wonder why they're not at the talent show. Oh, look.
Riddle, you riddle! Holy dooly! No worries!
Danke
Piece of
schön.
peace! There you
Ta-da.
go!
Great idea, Joey.